Do you have slow internet? It may not be your service provider. It could be your Wi-Fi adapter. And that's why today we're going to take a look at the WAVLINK AX5400. This thing is excellent. It's made for streaming, made for gaming. We're going to unbox it and we're going to hook this up to my son's gaming PC. He has his room total opposite end of the house from where I'm sitting, where my router is. I do have a Wi-Fi extender. They don't work that great, but what I'm going to do is we're going to test the speed with his current antenna, which is a single antenna. Then we're going to hook up the AX5400 and we're going to do a speed test to see how much faster the gaming system is. So stick around for that and let's get started. All right guys, we're going to start off unboxing the AX5400. I've already took the wrapper off, and then you slip this over and this is what is inside. So let's take that out. That's just a piece of plastic. So there's the antenna, cheap piece of plastic, and then looks like our connecting cable. Let's see here. Let's just rip this apart. USB-A 3.0 to a USB-C, pretty thick cable. So I would assume it just connects right there, USB-C, and you plug this into the gaming PC or any PC, laptop, anything you want, better Wi-Fi. Here's all your instruction manuals and just kind of disclaimer stuff, and your user manual, quick start guide. So read through all that and get that all started, and we're going to go get this thing hooked up and we're going to see how much faster or better our internet is using this WAVLINK Wi-Fi antenna. All right, so this is his gaming PC right here, and this is the current setup. It's an iPower iMac or something like that, and currently it's got this little single one connected. So let's go ahead and do a speed test using that, and then we'll hook up the new WAVLINK and see what the difference is. So we're going to hook it up right here to this gaming PC, and we're on the opposite side of the house from the router. Now notice this antenna that came with it, look how it was connected. So it wasn't USB 3, but we're going to take that out of the system. We're going to take the new WAVLINK, and for now I'm just going to sit it on top. It's magnetic, it's stuck right to the top, and we're just going to plug it in right there. Now we got to do the installation process. So installation is pretty simple. Once you open my PC, you'll have this CD drive here, WAVLINK. We're just going to double click on that. Say yes. English. Install. Pretty low. Switch to Wi-Fi 7. And much, much faster. So we're going to connect. And then I gotta do the password. Doing our second speed test. All right guys, so that's the WAVLINK AX5400 extended Wi-Fi antenna. Thing is fantastic, much faster speeds, better improvement, reliability over your standard Wi-Fi adapters. I highly recommend these. Also has the steel or the sticky back. You can actually mount this thing and stick it anywhere you want. Obviously I didn't do that because I'm doing a review right now. We're just sitting it on top of the thing, but all kinds of versatility. Very small, it's very lightweight, and it's just stylistic and looks really good. So I think you should add this to your gaming PC or anywhere in your room where you're kind of at a distance from your router and you need some extra reliability, some extra speed. Pick up the WAVLINK AX54. Link in the description. If you're watching on Amazon, it's a tagged product. You can also visit my store, amazon.com/shop/Mike's World. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.